Hey boss, welcome to Roof Coating Life where we bleed white. I'm Chad Hedrick. I come to you with 20 years of commercial roof coating experience. I have done nothing but the fluid applied industry for the last 20 years, everything that encompasses from metal roof installations to flat roof, all types of restorations we've been involved with in the roof coating industry. We're going to bring you value-driven content that allow you to know when and where to use what chemistry. Should I use silicone? Should I use urethane? Should I use an acrylic? When and where to do that, and how to apply it the best way with the equipment hacks and tricks that we have learned over 20 years of experience. Along with some marketing tips and tricks, we're going to do things that are going to allow you to up your roofing game. So stay tuned.